Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It is really easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray and you're in. It's that simple, but it really makes a big difference on YouTube's platform for me to be recognized. Also, I suggest that you ring the bell because by doing that, YouTube will then send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a new video. And this is one of the reasons why today's video is about a deal that is available for this week. I got it at Walgreens. This time of year is my favorite time of year where I really watch Walgreens. The reason I do is a lot of times they offer these 50% off deals. They did it on the Wet n Wild brushes, which I took advantage of last year. But every year they do something with Soap and Glory. And I really wait and really watch the circulars during this time of year to stock up on all of my Soap and Glory. And today is the day that one of the first kits came out, which is what is in the thumbnail, which is this one here. And I love this Soap and Glory. This kit is normally $30 and I got it for $15. They usually give 50% off, and I love stocking up this time of year. I will show you some of the previous kits that I've gotten that I'm still using, and I will show you the size it differentiates between which kits they're in. But this one, what it says, it's called Bag a Little Beauty, and they come in these fantastic reusable bags, and on the back here, it says, this glorious gift contains a Clean On Me, which is a creamy moisture shower gel. It comes with the Righteous Butter Body Butter, which smells amazing, and so does the Clean On Me. And then the other item in here, it says the Scrub of Your Life, which is a smoothing body buffer. It also comes with Off Your Face, a 3-in-1 daily purifying cloth. That's going to be a new product for me. And then of course the toiletry bag. So let's open her up and look how beautiful. It's a plastic bag, and then look at here, this little toggle. It's really well done. So like I said, this is, and it says on here with a sticker that you'll be able to remove, that it was supposed to be $30, and it's really only good for the week, and then it disappears and goes back up to that price. So it's a good deal even at 30, but at 15, in my eyes, it's an absolute steal. So let's try to open this guy up. Okay, it has something here that stops it from opening, so give me one sec. Let's do some surgery. Got it. All right, and here we go. There it is, and it's open. Okay, so let's pull out what we have. So the first item that's in here, they really have this packaged in really, really well. So let's see if I can remove it from the bag. Okay, they have the Scrub of Your Life, which is humongous, and this is in a 6.7 fluid ounces. It's an ultimate super smoothing body buffer. It's called the Scrub of Your Life, and that's what this is here. And I did have another kit that has a similar one, and I'm telling you, I use this. I love it. I have one that's in my shower and one that's in my tub area, and I use it religiously, and I absolutely, absolutely love this product. It has, I'm gonna show you on mine that's already open. It comes like this with little buffer beads in it. So I don't know if you guys can catch that on the camera. Do you see, it's like a soapy consistency, and it has these little tiny, tiny buffer beads in it that help exfoliate your skin, and it smells divine. They're very strongly scented, so if you're sensitive to smell, Soap and Glory is not the brand for you. But if you love these scents that are just, it's a mixture of like bergamot and vanilla and citrus. It is just divine, divine. And I'm telling you, just on the scrub alone, you don't need the creams or the lotions. It's just scrumptious. All right, so that's the first item that's in here. The second item that's in here, they have this package like ridiculous. So, okay. I should have probably removed all this before I started. I apologize. This is the item that I'm not familiar with that I'm excited to try. This one says it is off your face. It says it is infused with pore shrink peach and go juice extracts. It says it's a 3-in-1 daily purifying cloths. And they're saying there's 25 cleansing cloths in here. That is really a lot. So that is fantastic. All right. That's, like I said, new to me. The next item that's in here was what I got introduced to this brand with. It is a body butter. It is in the Righteous Butter. And to show you how much I actually love this product, I have it in sample sizes and I have it in the bigger sizes as well. This smells, it's a mixture, because I don't like any rosy scents if you're familiar with my channel. This has such a distinct aroma. I have never smelt this. It is just delicious. It's perfumey, so if you're not into perfumes, you won't like it, but I'm telling you, I usually don't like strong scents, and there's something about this Soap and Glory that is just divine. Anyways, I want to show you how thick this cream is. Look at this. Is that not ridiculous? Unbelievable. So that's the cream. So we got a full size of that, not a little sample size. Let's see if it tells you how much is in here. It says once you open it, it's good for 24 months, which is really a long time. And it says after showering or bathing, smooth onto damp skin, massage lightly until it all sinks in. And it does. It sinks in and it keeps you really hydrated. It's such a treat. And then the last item that's in here, this is ridiculous how they have this packaged. This is what I'm fighting with, guys, to try to get it out. But I'm sure it's for presentation purposes. All right, this is the shower gel that's called Clean on Me. And like I said, this is the time of year that I start stocking up on this. I get, this is a little one that I travel with. And then I have the big one that I keep at my sink area. So that's the size of my big one, and that's the one that's in the kit. The one that's in the kit is 8 ounces, and this one is in a 16 ounce. Like I said, during this time of year, they come out with different size kits, and whatever one is 50% off, I run in to get. This is the first one that I've seen this season, so I hope that you will double check either online or in your stores if you have a Walgreens around you. But this to me is an absolute find. So once again, this is the bag that it comes in, and it's huge. And these are the best bags to travel with because they're completely see-through. You'll know everything that's in there. It's that type of plastic that's easy, that if anything spills or is wet, to travel with is an absolute find. So the bag isn't a throwaway. So I'm really happy to share this with you guys. And if this is something that you love as well, or you're just getting introduced to it, for $15, I think that's the easiest way to try something that is of a $30 value. And even at $30, this kit is an absolute steal. So hope you enjoyed this little deal that I'm passing on to you guys that I had the opportunity to get for myself. I really hope this is of interest to you because I love sharing this type of stuff with you guys. And like I said, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. I do a lot of unboxings, as well as any deals that come my way or any sneak peeks that I'm able to see that I can share with you guys, or showing you ways of how to use certain sites that are new to me, that if I'm figuring I'm learning it, maybe you would need that as well. So it's a channel that I really wanted to set up and do to give back to the beauty community that has given so much to me. So once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It is simple. It is the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it and you're in. It turns gray and you are really helping support me grow on the YouTube platform. What I do suggest, like I said, is to hit that bell. So even if you are subscribed, make sure now to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. You'll just get one email from YouTube that will tell you that I uploaded a brand new video, and then it's easy for you through your email to click on it and it takes you right to my video. All right, once again, thanks for finding me. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.